so it is day, what day is it today? Yeah. 6, 7, 6 I think in America, and we have just left. We're just leaving Moab. We've had some breakfast, and I made friends with a really cute dog outside the breakfast place because I really miss Frank today. And we're on our way to Monument Valley, so we're just in the bus and everyone's on their phones.
The Wi-Fi's really bad right now.
Yeah, really, really bad Wi-Fi. So yeah, we're just on our way there. Apparently we're making a few stops because today we will go past the place in Forrest Gump and stuff like that. So yeah.
And we're back on the road. And we're all sleeping. Are we sleeping in a teepee tonight?
Yeah, in a hogan.
Hogan all together.
Which is like a huge mud king, which is pretty cool.
Does everyone else know?
Yes. So we're at the stop where Forrest Gump stops his journey in obviously the very famous film, which is really cool. But look at the background. That road has been in so many films and TV programs, which is pretty cool. And this is the exact stop behind me. And people have been like leaving their shoes, which is pretty cool. It's not very nice weather. When we left Moab, it was pretty nice and warm, so I bought shorts. And it's now really cold and rainy, so that's brilliant. So I'm going to have to get changed before we go into the Hogan. But this is literally the worst weather for the Hogan stay, but what can you do? But yeah, that was pretty cool though. Everyone's doing the running scene, but I'm not really that bothered about it. Yay, so we've made it to Monument Valley, and I currently look like I'm about to rob a bank, but that is because it's very sandy here, and I may get sand in my face and get accidental microdermabrasion, which may like take my skin off. I don't know. Basically we've got these, and I don't even know if I'm wearing this right, but just kind of put it on. But yeah, we're here at Monument Valley, and tonight we are spending the night in Hogan's, and we are doing a proper kind of authentic, is this
Navajo
Native American experience. There'll be no Wi-Fi. I've just sent my last text of civilization, and yeah, that's about it really. We're about to go, we're sleeping in like a Hogan. Thankfully the rain has stopped, because on our way up here it was tipping down. It was rainy, it was cold, I was in shorts, and I was not a happy person. I was really not very happy. But I've changed to my sweatpants. I'm looking a bit like a weird chav, and we're about to go in. And yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't know what we've got planned, but hopefully the rain won't rain, because if it didn't, that would be amazing.
It's going to rain from 9 onwards.
Rain from 9 onwards, but hopefully we'll be in the Hogan by then. Or yeah, basically. So yeah, hopefully we'll have fun, and I'll take you guys along with me. And we've only got a day bag with us, which is very like, oh, that's not right lighting at all, is it? Yeah, basically. So that'll be fun. We're going in another Jeep. Woo! And just I'll shove you out the bus. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Some cool rocks, and those Jeeps over there are what we're getting in. That's pretty funky. Also, the toilet we have tonight is a hole in the ground. That's right, an actual hole in the ground. So that's going to be fun, because, I don't know, hopefully it won't weed on my legs, because that will make me even more, that won't make me happy. So yeah, I'm going to go now. The guys are playing a game outside. We have stopped off on the tour at John Ford Point, which was the director for all the Wild West movies back in the days. I think that's right. So yeah, we're in this pretty incredible kind of landscape. I'll turn around so you can see. And yeah, look at those clouds. It is definitely going to rain soon. Cool. There's a point over there where all the guys are. This is the kind of thing that we're sleeping in tonight. Probably this one actually. It's going to be Blake's just like the Marriott or the Hilton. That's what it's going to be like. Nice. Oh, Mum, if you're watching this, these are for you.
Hi, Princess. No, it'll be done.
Oh,
this is sad because I miss it.
oh.
It just makes me miss.
When I saw that dog earlier, I almost cried. When you what? When I saw the dog outside the breakfast place, I almost cried. It reminded me of my dog. Oh, bless you.
Do you from England? You really fun of her.
Hogan, and we're all in here. Everyone's in here. And yeah, things are getting cozy tonight. So we've got our sleeping bags, the fire's on. And yeah, I think it's going to be an interesting evening. So I will see you tomorrow in the morning. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Yeah, so we are at the Grand Canyon. I've not vlogged today because we woke up super early in the Hogan. None of us got very much sleep because old Evan Edinburgh was snoring like a hippo last night. So we didn't really get much sleep and we're all a bit tired and wet and we've not showered, so we're all a bit like grumpy. So yeah, we're at the Grand Canyon and we're going to be having a look. At the first year they were going to be having some lunch and then I'm not sure. We might be going on a helicopter ride today, but we're not sure if the weather is going to permit. So
that's why you need all the colours.
Yeah, that's about it. But yeah, we're going to go see the Grand Canyon for the first time. We have arrived at the edge of the canyon to see the Grand Canyon for the first time. And I'm going to turn around. Are you ready? Ah, that's it there. Can you see it? Yeah. It's pretty. Let's go back. It's pretty humongous. Look at this. There's a nice blue water over there. That looks nice. But it's absolutely freezing. Like, I thought the Grand Canyon was going to be baking, like absolutely boiling. Put on my shorts thinking it was warm, and it's absolutely freezing. I had to put the sweatpants back on. They're like Mrs. Grey. But yeah, it's absolutely huge. The weather's not the best. It's probably not the best view, but it's still pretty cool. So we're now at the campsite, and it's a bit noisy because there's a game going on behind me there. But yeah, we've set up our tents and we're just about to leave to go on the helicopter ride, which is very exciting. I've never been on a helicopter before, so I'm not really sure what to expect, whether it's going to be like scary or just kind of fun. I'm not too sure, but I'm sure it'll be good though. But yeah, we're just about to leave now.
So fresh.
And yeah, that's literally it. I'm wearing my dungarees again because I don't have much else to wear.
I'm wearing my dungarees too.
Are you?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it. So yeah, the toilets are rank here, FYI. And the showers.
Yeah, they're not nice.
Like horrible.
Oh, we heard so good at the last campsite.
Yeah, we had luxury.
Little hearts.
So yeah, I'm gonna go now.
She's so scared.
So we are about the helicopter place, about to take a helicopter over the Grand Canyon.
I'm good.
So yeah, this is quite scary.
I had to jump out of one
I've got my
for that show.
little group here, and we're about to get in.
What show was that, Tyson?
So it's exciting / nervous.
What show were you on, Tyson?
Really not sure
Find it yourself.
what this is going to be like at all, but hopefully it should be fun. So this is them here behind me. So yeah, we'll be vlogging along the way. So we're in the helicopter. There's the front row. Going, so my face looks like a chipmunk right now. I look like a chipmunk. We're off. We are off. So we're back now. We did it, we survived. Woo! That was actually amazing. I thought it was going to be really scary, but it was actually so much fun. There was a bit of scary bits, and there's a couple of like windy. Yeah?
When are you getting to take your grandmother to the Grand Canyon? What? Grand Canyon? You're welcome. Your content right there. Where are we going?
There you go.
That's so fucking idea.
Oh.
This way? Oh no. Sorry for swearing.
Okay, yeah, we don't know where we're going now, but it was amazing. So much fun.
Passengers only. Yeah, right. My house.
And yeah.